Welcome to Office VR, a project management game. Project management is one of the most difficult tasks that a project manager can face, as planning, controlling, and implementing a project requires critical thinking skills and expertise. Our motivation for this project stems from the fact that it is difficult to properly plan and execute a project as it requires many important skills. Some of these skills are assigning tasks to the right employees. Employees might have a high or a low cost, or maybe fast or slow, so it is important to choose the right employee for the right job. Our goal in this game is to provide learners with immersive game to help educate and improve theoretical knowledge and practical skills in project management. Here we see an example of a 2D project management game, where the player is given limited budget as well as employees with different performances. He must strategize to find an optimum staff allocation and must not exceed the budget. If he exceeds the budget, then he fails. To make learning project management skills more interactive and fun, we decided to recreate a similar game in virtual reality. Welcome to Office VR, a project management game. In the first scene, you'll be placed in the character's bedroom, and the first thing you'll be able to see in front of you here is the character's plotline. Now, the plotline revolves around a middle-aged man who got fired from his workplace and is trying to gain back his way in life by completing other people's projects. The first thing he needs to do is go to his office by clicking the green button. Now we have entered Office VR. As you can see, we have no employees currently hired yet to accomplish this project schedule that costs $850. To hire employees, we go to the hiring station by hitting this arrow. As you can see, we have employees waiting to be hired in front of us, as well as the hiring panel that shows all their attributes, such as Robert, Malcolm. Robert has a speed of 4, costs 30 per hour, and his info, and similar info that. We have a budget of 200, and for the sake of demonstration, we will go ahead and hire all of them for our schedule. Now we go back to the workstation, and as we can see, we have the employee balls in front of us. And each employee, of course, have an attribute, and that displays as soon as we drop them. Now, this helps us to assign each employee to a task, and as we can see, task 2 has the longest length, which means that it has the highest duration, and for that, we need to assign someone who's fast and cheap. Now, by looking at them, Ellie is fast, but she's expensive since she has the speed of 3 and costs 20 per hour, so I might as well go and assign it to 4. We need to use our skills in order for us to achieve this schedule so that's successfully accomplished. Tyrone is fast and cheap, so fast and cheap, task 2, which is a good idea, and I think this should be great. Now, as you can see, as soon as I placed the balls, they have spawned in front and they started working. So far, they have done nothing yet because I have not clicked the green button, which tests the schedule. So let's test the schedule now. Okay, as you can see, the time is passing by. Task 3 is working. This is the prerequisite task, and we're spending the budget. Hopefully, we'll finish in time, and there we go. We see a green light, meaning that we have accomplished this schedule, and we can go ahead to go with the next schedule by clicking this. As you can see, the new schedule have spawned, and we can go ahead and reassign this employee balls so that it can fit this schedule. And that concludes the demo for our presentation. Thank you so much.